Hello. Hey, what's up, everybody? Today is day 2 of the heat transfer exercise. Yesterday was day 1, and so today we're going to do 2 of the same kinds of exercises, but there's slight variations this time around. So it's part 3 of this activity or this exercise. It's going to be similar because we're going to have a water sample, 50 grams of it, and then a different sample, 100 grams of that. But we'll do the same thing. We're going to get the temperature of those, and then we'll combine them. So it's a total of 150, right? Because 50 and 100, 150. And we'll get the temperature of the combined water samples. And then, like we started to do yesterday, you should then be able to calculate the energies and compare before and after. All right. So to start, we are going to take 50 grams of our room temperature or a relatively room temperature water. So let me pour that out to 50. A little more than I need. There it is. So I got 50 here. But what I'm going to do a little different now is here's the cold stuff. I'm measuring that to 100. So, with day 1 yesterday, it was 50 and 50. But today it's 50 and 100. So that might change some things. And maybe you know how it might change. But let's do the same thing with our water samples. We'll get starting temperatures of everything. So here's our room temperature stuff. So 22.7 at the moment. Remember, this is Celsius. 22.8. Let's just kind of see if it changes any more. It looks like 22.8 is going to be it. 22.8. So that's going to go in box A. 22.8 in box A. All right. Let's get the temperature of the cold stuff. Yeah. 9.0, dropping still. 8.6, 8.2, 0.4. So we may be settling right in that area. 8.4. 8.3. So I want a steady temperature. Maybe it's going to be 8. Let's go with 8. So that'll go in box B. So 8.0. All right, just like we did yesterday, I'm going to quick mix these in my styrofoam cup, and we'll see where they end up temperature-wise. 13.3. It helps if I kind of mix it up a little bit. $13.4. Looks like it might be holding steady. 13.4. Not much change going there, so I think let's go with 13.4. All right, so there's all the data we collected. We took 50 grams of water with a temperature of 22.8, and we combined it with 100 grams of water with a temperature of 8.0 degrees Celsius. We combined that all, and that final temperature was 13.4 degrees Celsius. So from here, you should be able to calculate your energies like we started up yesterday.